What the fuck? My microwave turned on by itself. I came over here to see what the hell was going on. It's not like something was in my microwave. You can see that it's the time. It's on. What the fuck? Does anybody else's microwave do this? I mean, it's 10:52 in the morning. My microwave's on. I don't know if I should turn it off, unplug it. I'm afraid it's gonna blow the fuck up. What the fuck? Why is my microwave turning on? It turns off by itself, see? What the fuck? It does this, and nobody believed me before, and they thought I was making up stuff, and I'm not. But, yeah, you can see that the time was on, the microwave's off now. I don't know. Guys, I think I'm haunted. Yeah.